Most of the doors we see around us are made of wood, but where designing in wood used to mean hand chisels, hammers, and hours of labor, today modern technology has arrived, CNC machines. In this video, we will learn in detail how CNC machines create perfect designs on door wood, how this technology works, how designs are created, how much it costs, and what its future prospects are in business. So watch the video until the end, because we'll show everything from the real-time design process to the rendered results. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. That is, a computer instructs the machine to cut or engrave a specific design on wood. Where previously one had to rely on the manual work of a craftsman, now designs are created in software such as AutoCAD, Aspire, or Fusion 360. This design file is then sent to the machine, and the CNC router machine starts cutting the wood accordingly. How to make designs on door wood. Suppose you want to give a flower design to a door. First, the designer will create a design according to the size of the door in AutoCAD or Aspire software. Then that design is exported in G-code format. This code is the language of the CNC machine. The wood is placed properly on the machine table, and the tool is set, such as which bit to use, how deep to cut, what speed to use, etc. Then, when the machine is turned on, the spindle rotates and cuts the wood, creating a design, perfectly perfect and even. Types of CNC door designs. There are many types of designs that can be made on door wood, such as 2D engraving design, light carving or flat design 3D. Carving design, deep and three-dimensional design. Panel design, flowers, borders or Islamic patterns in the middle of the door. Text design, writing a name or special. Message mix design, both 2D and 3D together, open. In Goog, this is the beauty of CNC machines. 100% symmetry and perfect cuts on the same door. Door. Wood and tool selection. Wood selection is very important. Commonly used for doors are teak, wood gamari mahogany MDF board, for work, within a budget. Tools used ball nose bit. For 3D designs flat end mill. For 2D cuts V-bit. For sharp line designs, if the quality of the tool is not good, the edge of the design will be lost, so it is very important to keep the tool settings correct. Time and cost analysis. How long does it take to design a door, and how much does it cost? A typical 2D design takes 30 minutes to 1 hour. A 3D design takes 2 to 4 hours. Cost depends on the design, and wood small designs cost 500 taka, while full door designs can cost 2,000 to 8,000 taka design. Software and training. Some popular software for those who want to learn are VCarve, ProArt, Cam, Aspire, AutoCAD. There are many YouTube channels and online courses where you can get free or paid training. Once you learn, it is very easy to create your own designs and run them on a CNC business potential. The door design business is now growing rapidly in Bangladesh and India. Earlier, hand-carved doors were very expensive. Now it has become affordable and fast. Thanks to CNC, it is possible to earn from 50,000 to 1 lakh taka per month by opening a small workshop. If your design and quality are good, CNC machines have taken the woodworking industry to a new level. Now designing is no longer just a manual job, but a perfect art of technology. Be it door designs or furniture patterns, CNC is now being used everywhere. If you are interested in woodworking or design, then learn this technology and create your own creative designs. Friends, today we will look at a technology that turns ordinary pieces of wood or board into works of art. The CNC machine. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. That is, the entire machine runs under the instructions of the computer. Today we will see how a wooden design is created from the very beginning, and in the end, that piece of wood becomes a perfect work of art. This machine is run by a computer program. The operator creates a design in CAD software, which is then converted into CAM software. The CAM software converts the design into code that the machine can understand, called G-code. Before starting the design, the wood or board needs to be prepared. The board can be MDF, plywood, or solid wood. First, the surface of the wood is smoothed, then it is clamped tightly on the machine bed. Now the design created in the CAD software is being set on the machine. The size, depth, and cutting speed of the design are determined. Once the setup is complete, the machine router or cutter head starts working automatically. This is the most fun part. Watch how the spindle moves around and over the wood, creating amazing designs. This work is done entirely under computer control, with absolute precision. The accuracy of the machine at this stage is extremely important. The slightest mistake can ruin the design. Look, a flower design is slowly emerging. It's actually digital art created by humans, but in reality, it's being created by machines. After the design is complete, the finishing work begins. The excess parts are cut off from the wood, smoothed with sandpaper. Then it is painted, polished, or laminated, so that the design looks more attractive. A simple piece of wood has now become a work of art. These designs are used in furniture, door panels, interior design, and even decoration. Safety is very important when working on CNC machines. Always wear goggles, ear protection, and gloves. Never handle the machine while it is running. Clean the machine and back up the software at the end of each day. Look, here are beautiful designs one after another. Door patterns, wall panels, artwork, even nameplates. Each design is unique because each is created with the help of perfect technology. How did you like today's CNC wood design journey? Let us know in the comments, and if you want to see more videos like this, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you again in the next video with some new technology. Thanks everyone. In today's video, we'll see how a CNC machine creates amazing designs on wooden boards. From the very beginning, setup, design, and cutting, everything is done in real time. This machine is computer controlled, meaning it will cut exactly what we design onto the board. First, we place the board on the machine bed. Notice that the wood is about ½ an inch thick, and it is being held tightly in place by the machine's clamps. If the clamps are not tight, the board can move while the machine is working, which will ruin the design. Now we load the design file on the computer. The software screen shows a flower pattern, a large round blossom in the middle, with delicate leaves around it. We imported this design into CNC router software.